Yo, everybody, back at it once again. Favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. And today we're going to be talking about, we're going to be following up on a video that I previously made going over how to actually be able to set up a demo account on MetaTrader 4. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to be able to set up a live account. So if you guys are excited and ready to go ahead and tap in and learn how to do so, stay tuned for the next clip. I'll see you soon. Peace. Yo, everybody, back at it once again. Favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. Now, before you guys go any further, make sure you go ahead and tap in and hit the subscribe button so you guys can stay up to date with every new video I'm going to drop every single day moving forward. And right underneath the subscribe button, go ahead and tap into the comment section, the thumbs up, and the like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, as I spoke on the previous clip, and as you guys saw in the thumbnail, we're going to be following up with the video I actually did the other day. So if you guys did not watch the video showing you how to set up a demo account on MetaTrader 4, look in the top right-hand corner, and then you can go ahead and tap into that so you're not lost. But today we're going to be showing you guys how to be able to set up a live account, which obviously, I'm not going to say obviously, which this is actually going to be a quicker video. It doesn't involve as much information, okay? So basically, the first thing I want to, start off with is make sure you guys, do your own due diligence and figure out what broker you want to use. I'm not going to recommend you anything. I'm just going to do the example based off the broker that I currently use, which is KOT. Okay. So if you guys use a different broker, the process should be the exact same, right? The interface might look slightly different, but the process should basically be the exact same. So whenever you actually log into the broker, what you want to do is you want to go to the tab that says accounts, right? My accounts. It's either here or located right here. Okay. So if I actually click on that, obviously I'm going to block out, my account number and things of that nature. But basically all you guys are going to do to set up a live account is you're going to go to where it says account type. Okay. Now, previously on the video talking about demo, we obviously selected demo. Now you might be a little confused because this is not going to say live. It'll be represented of ECN. ECN is the same thing as live. Okay. So you're going to click on where it says ECN, and then the same way you set up the live account is basically going to be a similar concept. So you're going to select USD, assuming that you're obviously in the United States. And for the leverage, right, as I recommended before, I would personally recommend using about 1 to 200 leverage if you're a newer person. If you want to do higher than that, that's 100% at your own discretion, okay? Now, do be aware, before you can actually create a live account, you're going to have to put in an initial deposit. So since I already have an account created, I just go forward and, do what I got to do. But it's not going to allow you to actually create a live account until you've deposited money. So make sure you figure out what is the minimum requirement to deposit in whatever broker that you decide to use. Once you actually do the deposit, then you guys will be able to actually create the live account. Okay. Just make sure you do it in the proper order because it's not going to allow you to hit create account if you have not already deposited money and the money is not actually sitting in your wallet balance, which you guys see represented up here. All right. So this was actually the first part of the video. The second part of the video is actually going to be showing you guys how to be able to input the information on MetaTrader 4 so that you can actually log into your live account and it can merge together on the physical MetaTrader 4 app. So I'll see you guys shortly. Peace. All right, bet guys. So we're back at it for the second portion of the video. So as I told you guys, this video is going to be focused. The second portion is going to be focused on showing you guys how to now take the information that was sent in the email and be able to actually plug it in on MetaTrader 4 so you can link your broker account to the actual trading app. So I'm about to go ahead and share my screen. 3, 2, 1. All right, bet. So I'm about to go ahead and throw this up on the screen. So as you guys see, similar to whenever I showed you guys how to be able to set up the demo account, I still got the demo account logged in. So we want to focus once again on the options at the bottom. So notice these options at the bottom, but exclusively we want to touch where it says settings. So touch where it says settings. It's going to bring you to the screen that you currently see. So you want to be able to focus on where it says new account. Okay, where it says new account next to the green with the person and the plus sign, going to go ahead and hit new account. Now, obviously, if we're setting up a demo account, we would do open a demo account, but we're not. We're doing the live account. So we're going to select where it says log into an existing account. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Now, once again, I'm only going to type in the broker that I use. Please do your own research. KOT is the broker that I use, right? Now, notice they're going to give you two different options for a live account. KOT Live 2, KOT Live 3. Okay. So what I'm actually about to do is I'm about to go ahead and throw up on the screen exactly what it's going to look like when they send you the email. So notice where it says server name, it's telling me exactly what server to select. So since it says KOT Live 2, I'm going to select KOT Live 2, right? And then for the login and the password, the account number, right, which is underneath the server name, that is going to be your login. So once again, the account number is going to be your login. Your password that you're going to put where it says password is going to be the trader's password, okay? Notice how investor password says reading only, okay, or to read only. You're not going to use that, right? You're going to use the trader's password, okay? Now, obviously, if the trader's password for whatever reason doesn't work, use the investor's password. I'm just throwing that out there for like common knowledge, but that's not what should happen. What should happen is you should use the trader's password. So the easiest thing to do is whenever you get the email on your phone, copy and paste it, because obviously if you try to type it out with the all caps and some of those being lowercase and stuff like that, it can be case sensitive. So copy and paste everything. So copy it from the email on your phone, paste it on the app. So once again, the login is going to be the account number. The password is going to be the trader's password. Once you put that information in, it's going to merge your account and then you're going to be good to go. So once again, guys, that's basically been the end of the video. I hope you guys came and learned something. And first and foremost, if you did, don't be shy. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you know how, whoa, slow down, Tyree. You know how I know that you guys appreciate the content and I assume that you're going to share it with somebody else. So assuming that you like the content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because remember, you guys want to be able to stay up to date every single time that I drop a video. And I like to be able to keep some of the rawness in the video. So whenever I mess up, it's okay. I'm a human. I'm flawed. So I don't like to edit all that stuff out because I want you guys to see I am normal just like you, right? Now, once you hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the thumbs up, and go ahead and leave a nice comment. Let me know that you actually appreciate the video. Now, as usual, we're going to cap out the video with the same thing I always love to say, right? I'm going to see you guys at the top, not from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. See you when want to be a peace.